It's time. It's time to seize your moment. The Most High has that blessing ready for you. All you got to do is go get it. It's right there, fam. Go get your blessing. Seize your moment. You are created in the image of the Most High. You are chosen by the Most High. You have what it takes. You are the Most High's treasured possession. Oh, yes, you are. You got this because He got this. There's no reason to doubt. There's no reason to be afraid. Don't listen to those haters. Guess what? That's their job, is to hate, to try to keep you down. Don't be caught up on those distractions that are in your way from seizing your blessing, from seizing your moment. The moment is yours. You've been waiting for this for so long. It's right here. You are more than a conqueror. You can do all things through the Most High who strengthens you. You got this, fam. Abraham, before his name was changed to Abraham, his name was Abram. He was commanded by the Most High to leave the land of his nativity to a new land that the Most High showed him. Abraham was commanded by the Most High to leave the familiar to the unfamiliar. He was commanded to cross over that river. That message was not only for Abram. Guess what? That message is for you. The Most High is speaking to you. The Most High says to cross over that river and to receive that blessing. Abraham was commanded to leave the land that he grew up in, that he was familiar with, the land of Ur, to cross over the Euphrates into the promised land. It's time for you to cross over into that promised land. Yah has that promised land ready for you. All you got to do, fam, is cross over that river. What's that river? What's that river that's in your way from you, from seizing your blessing? What is that river that is in your way from you to seize your moment? Abraham was commanded by the Most High to leave his baggage behind and to enter a new land. Was it uncomfortable? Yes. I can imagine it to be. To leave a land that you grew up in, that you're familiar with. To leave your current state into a new state. Change is painful. I know that it is. I'm keeping it a buck with you. Change hurts. Literally. Change hurts. Your blessing is waiting for you. In order to receive that blessing, your moment that you've been waiting for, we have to make a change. We have to cross over that river, cross over that barrier. Whatever it is, you got it. You got this because the Most High got this. I understand how it feels to be in complacency. I understand how it feels to be in the dumps. But it's time to seize your blessing. It's time to make those changes. It's time to leave that baggage behind. Like Abram, leave it behind because it's in your way from you, from seizing your moment. The Most High has so much in store for you. So much. It might be painful. It might be scary. It's natural to feel fear. We're humans. It's natural to feel the feelings of fear. Yah has abundance stored for you. You already have abundance. It's already here. It's already done. Your moment is already here. All you have to do is go get it. Our Creator can do all things, and you can do all things. It's not impossible. It's not too hard. Do not listen to those negative thoughts that try to creep in your mind, that try to imprison you. Don't listen to those negative spirits, those evil spirits that are trying to keep you incarcerated from seizing your blessing. They can't hold you. They can't stop you. Why? Because you are chosen by Yah. Why? Because your faith is in Yah. Yah is the name of the Creator in Hebrew. You got this because Yah got this. Go seize your moment. Leave that baggage behind you. Whatever that thing is, whatever those things are that are hindering you, that are blocking you from seizing your moment, let it go. Yes, you gotta let it go. For that baggage, it's gonna be a TKO. Let it go, fam. The enemy can't stop you. Those haters can't stop you. Pray for your haters. Always pray. Keep your faith in the Most High and move through your faith. We got to believe it, and we got to be about that action. And when you do that, fam, your moment has arrived. It's already here. It's already done. Go get it. The Most High has a calling for you. Yah will show you a land like he showed Abram, a land filled with blessings on blessings on blessings. The Most High always fulfills his promise. He fulfilled the promise that he told Abram. He showed Abram a land that he was unfamiliar with. And he blessed Abram, and he blessed Abram's seed. Keep your faith in Yah. Move, cross over that river, and Yah will bless you and your seed. Oh, yes, he will. Oh, yes, he will. Don't let nothing stop you from seizing your blessing. Abraham was blessed by the Creator. Those who blessed Abram were blessed. Those who cursed Abram were cursed. All you got to do, fam, is keep your faith in Yah. Keep on serving Yah and serve people. Be good to people. I know it's hard. Trust me, I know about it. People be tripping these days, especially those haters. They be tripping. The last thing I want to do is pray for them. But we got to. We got to, family. Because it's the Most High that's in us. That's empowering us to pray for them and to love our enemies. And to serve people. It's the Most High that's in us that empowers us to serve people, to be a blessing to people. Abram was a blessing to people. And you are a blessing to people. Serve Yah. And those who bless you, they will be blessed. And those who curse you or try to curse you, they're going to be cursed. But you ain't caught up on the messiness. You ain't caught up on the distractions. You ain't worried about what they saying. You're not worried about what they doing. You are focused on the kingdom of the Most High. You are focused in doing the work of the Most High. Oh, you got this. Seize your moment. Seize your blessing. No longer do you have to wait on it. Because you are in the process of seizing it. You are moving forward. You are pressing towards your moment. And it's going to come like that. Trust in the Most High. Be empowered by the presence of the Most High. The Most High is using you to do great things. Yah has amazing things stored for you. He knows. All you got to do is seize your moment. Be like Abram. Cross over that river. You are called by Yah to be great. You are called by Yah to be successful. Repeat after me. I will seize my moments. Repeat after me. I will seize my blessing. Why? Because you serve the King over all kings. You serve the King over all presidents. You serve the King that is over all rulers. There is nothing that can stop you from seizing your moment when you are empowered by the Most High. The Most High has so many amazing things prepared for you. It's already been written. It's already been said. It's already been done. You got this. Seize your moment.